Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Madras Samayal tea. This beloved Indian spice tea, often called masala chai, offers a delightful blend of robust black tea and fragrant spices. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final pour, ensuring you can create a truly authentic and comforting cup right in your own kitchen. Get ready to awaken your senses with this timeless beverage. To begin your Madras Samayal tea journey, you'll need a few key items. Start with 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rich whole milk for that creamy texture. For the tea base, have 2 teaspoons of quality loose black tea or 2 tea bags ready. The heart of this tea lies in its spices: fresh ginger, 3 green cardamom pods, 2 whole cloves, a small cinnamon stick, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Finally, prepare 2 teaspoons of sugar, which you can adjust to your liking. Now for the magic of brewing. In a saucepan, combine your 2 cups of water with the crushed spices and sliced ginger. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes to fully extract those wonderful aromas. Next, add your 2 teaspoons of black tea leaves and simmer for another 2 minutes. Finally, pour in the 1 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of sugar, bringing the tea to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, until it reaches your preferred strength and color. Once your Madras Samayal tea is perfectly brewed, it's time to serve. Carefully strain the hot tea directly into your favorite cups, ensuring all the spice solids and tea leaves are removed for a smooth, enjoyable drink. Serve it immediately to fully appreciate its warmth and rich aroma. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a tiny pinch of ground cardamom on top. This comforting beverage is perfect for a morning boost or a relaxing afternoon moment. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.